Good afternoon, children. Today we start a new lesson that is one second I give you. Acid, bases, and salt. Lesson number 6. Right? So today we'll begin with new lesson that is acid, bases, and salt. So before starting this, I'll write some of the points on the board so that these are to be studied in this lesson. First is we will be studying about classification of different substances. They are acid and base and salts. Next point is to be studied properties, right? So properties of acids, bases and salts. We'll be studying properties of acids, bases and salts. Next is about indicators. What is meant by this indicator and how it is useful. We will be studying about indicators. Next one, preparation of salt. So we have some of the methods for preparing this salt. Next one, neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. So these points which we are going to study in this lesson, that is acid, bases and salts. So first today we will study about what is meant by acids. Okay. So before starting that, let me take you some of the general and common examples so that you understand it clearly. So here acids and bases usually they are used in our daily life. Every day you are using acids, you are using bases and even along with them you are using salts also. But you don't know which item or which substances, which objects are containing these acid, bases and salts. If you study the particular properties of this all, obviously you are going to understand which substance consists of acids, bases and salts. For example, here some of examples like the role of digestion. So digestion will takes place in your body. If you want to check the digestion or the digestion is taking place because of the presence of acid in your body. That acid already we have studied in your previous lesson, right? And then again medicines which we take, that is also consist of small amount of acids. Next is cleaning products in a sense you use detergents, soaps, right? You use detergents, soaps, or again what you use? You use liquids, right? These are also some products where it is consisting of some amount of acids or the bases. Now let us discuss some more examples by taking so that you can understand this. Okay. So before that we will study first one, that is acid. So what is this meaning of acid? What the meaning of this acid means and in what substance these acids are present. So many food items like here I will write lemon juice, right? Lemon juice or the vinegar, right? These all you are consuming as a food, and these food items contains acids, right? How acids we are consuming, it may be a doubtful and it may be surprising, right? But some of the food items and the products of food which you are consuming daily, that items are also containing acid, bases and salts. Now, here I have taken two examples like lemon juice and vinegar. How these taste? These are in sour in taste, right? These are sour in taste, right? So the substances which are sour in taste, that contains acids, and here lemon juice consists of acids, even vinegar is also consist of acid. Next, the fruit like orange, right? Orange also consists of acids. Here we have again types of acids also. Like orange consists of other type of acid. Lemon juice is having another different acid. But these food items or any other products you can take, that all items are having acids. Okay, the items which are sour in taste, that products or the food products or any substances consist of acids, right? Next, here the one important thing you also remember is so this term acid. This acid comes from Latin word. It comes from Latin, okay, which acid means acid. Okay, acid means acid, where this word has been taken from Latin, and this acid or acid, which means sour. Okay, so acid has been taken from the Latin word which means acid. Again, in simple form, we can say that acid or acid is the meaning which give us soul. Alright. So this is what acid. Now we will see some of the types or the classification of acid. Classification of acid. That means again, here in acids we have two types depending on its nature, depending on the presence of the molecules. Acids are classified into two types. We'll see that which are those two types. First one is organic acid, and second one is inorganic acid. So acid has classified into two types, that is organic acid and inorganic acid. Now let us study what is meant by this organic acids and inorganic acid. So remember they acids are classified into two types. We'll see one by one. First one is organic acid. So what is mean by this? Organic acid. I'll write points based on this. Okay. So what is this organic acid means? Organic acids are those which are naturally occurring. From nature we are getting acids. Such acids are called as organic acids. So organic acids are those which we are getting from nature. Maybe it may be occurring from plants and animals. Okay, so these organic acids may be getting from plants or animals. So the acids which are naturally occurring from plants or animals are called as organic acids. Now one more important point is to remember, these organic acids, they contain mainly two types of elements, that is carbon and hydrogen. So the acid which has the content of carbon and hydrogen, such acids we call them as a organic acid. Next third point, especially these organic acids are weak in nature. We will study what is meant by this weak acid, strong acid. Okay, so forget about that. Just remember, organic acids are weak in nature. Even organic acids are also called as weak acids. So, if I ask you explain organic acids in brief, then you should write that organic acids are the acids which are naturally occurring. It may be occurred from the plants or the animals. Second point, organic acids are those which consist or which contain carbon and hydrogen atoms. Next one, usually organic acids are weak in nature, or organic acids are also called as weak acids. Do you get my point? So remember, this is about organic acids. Now, these organic acids are I have some of the examples, like here you can see, once again, graph this and write with examples and explain. Some of the examples of organic acid. First one is like lactic acid, right? Then acetic acid. These acids, whatever I am writing, they are organic acids. That means naturally we are getting it. Formic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, then malic acid. So, if the question may arise in exam, like given examples of organic acids. So, some of the organic acids in here I have listed, that is lactic acid, acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, malic acid. So why these acids are we calling as a organic acid? You know that organic acids are those which we are getting from the nature. And how these acids we get from nature? For examples, we have, okay, so when we talk about the citric acids usually we get from the fruits like lemon. Okay, so lemon consists of citric acid, and you all know that lemon is a occurred in nature. So lemon consists of the acid called citric acid. Next one here, lactic acid. So lactic acid, it is present in sour milk, right? Sour milk, and milk is also a natural substance. So in sour milk also we get lactic acid. Now acetic acid. Acetic acid we usually see in vinegar, right? So vinegar also consists, I told that vinegar, lemon, orange, they consist of acids, but we don't know which type of acids they consist. So here I am giving which all food items or the products they contain what type of acid. Here we have seen citric acid that is present in lemon. Then acetic acid we can see in vinegar, and lactic acid that is present in milk. So these varieties of acids are present in some different food products, and then we can see these all acids. Next one, we can have some of the acids like carbonic acid. So please open your page number 75, and there you have sources of acid from which all food products we can get this acid. So citric acid, it will be occurred in lemon and oranges, and lactic acid from sour milk, acetic acid from the vinegar. We have the table over given in the textbook. Please go through that. Here I have some examples which I have given on the board. Right? Not only these are the organic acids. Many more organic acids are there, which is listed in your book. Please go through that. And these acids in which all food items they are present. They are also given. And among them, three I have told. Okay, this is what? Organic acid. So acid are those which give taste of sour. And now we discuss inorganic acid. So before discussing this, I'll write some points based on this. These are obtained from mineral resources, and even these inorganic acids are also called artificial. Why these are called artificial acids, I'll explain you. And second point is these acids contains at least one hydrogen atom but no carbon atom. It contains at least one hydrogen atom but no carbon atom. Previously we have seen that in organic acids, that organic acid consists of hydrogen as well as carbon atom. But inorganic, they usually consist of only at least one hydrogen atom but not carbon atom. Next point to be noted is these most of acids are strong acids. Organic acids we have seen, even organic acids are also called weak in nature or weak acids. But the inorganic acids or artificial acids or the mineral acids, they are strong in nature, or inorganic acids are also called as strong acids. Here, some of examples: hydrochloric acid, and chemical formula for this HCl, and sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid and chemical formula is H2SO4. So inorganic acids, the acids which are synthesized in the laboratory, these acids are specially made by the human beings, and that is why they are called artificial acids or mineral acids. And these acids are specially prepared or synthesized in the laboratory, that is inorganic acid. And inorganic acids has only hydrogen atom but not carbon atom. So there is no presence of carbon atom, only hydrogen atom is present in inorganic acids. Next one, these inorganic acids are strong acids or they are strong in nature. So while using this inorganic acids, we should be very careful while handling this all kinds of inorganic acids, because when a single drop of that inorganic acid or the strong acid will fall on the skin, immediately the skin will start burn and there will be a stain takes place on your skin of hand or somewhere part of your body. So while using these strong acids or inorganic acid, that should be handled very carefully. Next one, some of examples for these kinds of inorganic acids or strong acids are hydrochloric acid, chemical formula is HCl, then sulfuric acid, chemical formula is H2SO4. So these acids are usually prepared in the lab or they are synthesized in the lab. And especially this hydrochloric and sulfuric acid, they are very strong in nature. So while using this, both acids, we should be very careful. Okay. So these are what the points based on hydrochloric acid, inorganic acid. Did you understand? Tomorrow I'll ask question based on inorganic acid, organic acid, and what is meant by acid. Okay. So we shall wind up the class.